Hi friends, today in this video, I'm going to make auto cut off balance charging system for multiple 18650 lithium ion batteries. For which, I designed a simple schematic circuit diagram, and then converted it into the PCB. To avoid messing up on pref board, I ordered the PCBs from JLC PCB. You will get high quality 5 pieces of PCBs for just $2. Then I prepared the PCB for components. So, let's place all the components into the PCB according to the circuit diagram. After completing the soldering process, I cleaned the PCB with isopropyl, and our PCB looks nice and clean. Now use LM317 regulator, and cut down the middle pin, since it is internally connected with its body. Pre-solder the both pads, and place the regulator at its place, and solder the both pins and body on PCB. Now our circuit is almost ready. Before supplying the DC input through one of these connectors, make sure this potentiometer is turned fully to anti-clockwise. Use the multimeter for voltage measurements. I used laptop charger as input DC supply, and it gives 30 volts DC output. You can use between 14 to 30 volts DC input. Now connect multimeter probe with input negative and positive over here. You need to adjust the voltage to 12.6 volts, since here we will charge 3 batteries in series, that is 4.2 volt for each battery. You'll see all 3 green LEDs glow on reaching 12.6 volts, and now it is calibrated for 3 batteries. Now use a battery holder, and 4-pin JST male connector, and connect the wires in 3 batteries in series configuration. Connect this connector in board. Before we test our circuit, let me tell you that you can also order the same PCB for this project without messing up on pref board. Just go to the video description, and with this link sign up on JLC PCB website. On the homepage of JLC PCB website, here you can add the Gerber file I provided. After uploading, you can see the preview of the PCB. You can also change quantity in the color of PCBs as per your requirements. And then save to cart for checkout. Now back to the testing. I used these 18650 lithium-ion batteries and laptop charger for DC input. By supplying DC, power LED and other 3 green LEDs will glow simultaneously. And when battery will be inserted in holder, each LED will go off if battery voltage is less than 4.2 volts, as you can see. As you can see, third LED glows, means third battery is fully charged. Now our first battery is charged too. And here our second battery is also fully charged. Now let's check the voltage with multimeter. As you can see, battery voltage is nearly 12.6 volts, and each battery voltage is about 4.2 volts. If you want to charge more than 3 series battery, you can follow circuit diagram to copy same for more batteries. Also, I would like to let you know, JLC PCB launched other PCB related services like PCB layout designing, which helps you in swiftly transitioning from concept production of PCBs. As a one-stop PCB solution provider, JLC PCB offers from PCB layout to PCB production, PCB assembling to components sourcing, also 3D printing and CNC machining. Just start a layout quote. And here you can upload the schematics related files. You can download the template for instructions and select the other parameters and submit the order. Your files will go all these steps during the production of your PCB, and you'll get delivered with high quality PCBs. So, if you enjoyed the video, subscribe the channel. Also check out these recommended videos. Thanks for watching.